Hi friends! Geethika's Kitchen is my first entry to YouTube. Please support and subscribe to my channel. We shall start with the preparation of easiest sweet Rava Kesari. So let's get started. The ingredients we require are Rava or Sooji 1 cup, that is 250 grams, sugar 3/4 cup, cashew nuts as per your choice, and also raisins as per your choice. Refined oil 1 tablespoon. So we need about 4 tablespoons of ghee. I have taken 2 elachis and powdered it. 1/4 spoon of Kesari powder soaked in milk, and this is optional. 3 glasses or 750 ml of water. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a kadai. Add the cashew nuts and fry them till golden brown. Now add few raisins and fry them till they turn plump. This gives a nice aroma. Now shift them in a bowl and keep it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of refined oil in the same kadai. Now add the rava and fry till it is coated with ghee to have a smooth and not sticky kesari. Mix it well and make sure that the rava does not turn brown. At the same time, boil 3 glasses of water. Pour the boiled water into the roasted rava and stir it well and ensure that there are no lumps. Now add the kesari powder soaked in milk and stir it well. Cover the kadai with a lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove the lid and mix the rava well. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar, Elachi powder, and mix it well. also add fried cashews and raisins and also 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now our soft Rava Kesari is ready. You can dish it out in a bowl and garnish with cashews. Hope you all liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.